Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone's Bluetooth to your Toyota Prius. This guide will help you set up hands-free calling and audio streaming quickly and easily. Before we begin, please make sure your Prius is safely parked and your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. We'll cover the simple steps to get your devices paired in just a few minutes, allowing you to enjoy seamless connectivity on the road. First, let's get your Prius ready. On your car's display screen, locate and press the Setup or Info Phone button. From there, you'll see a menu where you need to select Bluetooth. Once in the Bluetooth menu, choose the option that says Connect Phone or Add New Device. Your Prius will then start searching for available Bluetooth devices nearby, preparing for the next step. Now grab your mobile device. Go into your phone settings and tap on the Bluetooth option. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Your phone will begin scanning for nearby devices. You should see Toyota Prius or Car Multimedia appear in the list of available devices. Tap on this name to send a pairing request to your vehicle. This action bridges the connection between your phone and your car. Almost there. A passkey, usually a 4-digit number like 0000, will appear on both your phone and the Prius display. Confirm these numbers match, then accept the pairing on both devices. Your car will then show a Bluetooth connection successful message. You can now make hands-free phone calls and stream your favorite audio directly through your Prius's sound system, enhancing your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.